नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है हमारे प्रैक्टिकल इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स में। इस कोर्स का उद्देश्य आपकी अंग्रेजी बोलने की क्षमता को सुधारना है। हम व्याकरण में नहीं जाएंगे, बल्कि प्रैक्टिकल यूज और डेली की बातचीत पर ध्यान देंगे। हमारा लक्ष्य है कि आप विभिन्न वास्तविक जीवन की स्थितियों में आत्मविश्वास से अंग्रेजी बोल सकें। Usage of WH family words. The WH family refers to question words that begin with WH and are used to ask questions about specific details. These words help us gather information about people, places, things, reasons, times, and methods. Ek who. Usage. Used to ask about a person. Example questions. Who is your teacher? Who called you yesterday? Who is coming to the party? Who wrote this book? Who was at the door? Who will help you with your homework? Who made this cake? Who are you talking to? Who is your best friend? Who gave you this gift? Who painted this picture? Who can play the guitar? Who is the class monitor? Who is the principal of the school? Who told you the news? Who is responsible for this mess? Who do you admire the most? Who invented the telephone? Who was the first person to arrive? What? Usage. Used to ask about things, objects, or actions. Example questions. What is your name? What are you doing? What is this? What time is it? What did you eat for breakfast? What do you want to be when you grow up? What is your favorite color? What are your hobbies? What happened at the meeting? What is your favorite book? What are you thinking about? What did you buy from the store? What is the capital of India? What did you do yesterday? What is your job? What kind of movies do you like? What do you need? What makes you happy? What are your plans for the weekend? What can I do for you? In when. Usage. Used to ask about time. Example questions. When is your birthday? When did you wake up today? When will the train arrive? When did you last see him? When are you leaving for work? When did you move to this city? When will you finish your homework? When is the meeting scheduled? When can we meet? When did you start learning English? When is the concert? When do you usually go to bed? When will you visit your grandparents? When did the movie start? When does the store open? When is your next exam? When are you going on vacation? When will you call me? When does the school year begin? When will you come home? Where. Usage. Used to ask about places or locations. Example questions. Where do you live? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where did you go on vacation? Where is my phone? Where is the restaurant? Where did you buy this dress? Where can I find a good book? Where were you yesterday? Where is the bank? Where do you work? Where is your school? Where can I park my car? Where do you want to go for dinner? Where did you put the keys? Where is the nearest hospital? Where are my glasses? Where does she come from? Where did you learn to swim? Where are you going? Where does this road lead? Why? Usage. Used to ask about reasons or purposes. Example questions. Why are you late? Why did you choose this course? Why is the sky blue? Why are you upset? Why did you leave the party early? Why are you not eating? Why did you move to this city? Why are you not talking to him? Why is she crying? Why did you buy that? Why are you studying so late? Why did you cancel the meeting? Why is the door locked? Why do you like this song? Why are you laughing? Why did you choose this job? Why is the dog barking? Why are you wearing a jacket? Why did you stop working? Why are you so happy? Which? Usage. Used to ask about choices or options. Example questions. Which color do you like? Which book is yours? Which dress should I wear? Which is the fastest route? Which subject do you enjoy? Which team do you support? Which one is cheaper? Which movie did you watch? Which car do you want to buy? Which one do you prefer? Which school do you attend? Which fruit do you like? Which song do you want to play? Which one is better? Which place should we visit? Which movie is your favorite? Which day is the meeting? Which flavor do you want? Which house is yours? Which one did you choose? How? Usage. Used to ask about the manner, condition, or degree of something. Example questions. How are you? How did you solve the problem? How was your day? How do you make this dish? How much does it cost? How old are you? How long will it take? How do you feel? How did you know that? How far is the station? How do you get to work? How often do you exercise? How did you meet him? How is the weather today? How do you spell your name? How can I help you? How many brothers do you have? How did you get here? How tall are you? How does this work? Simple WH questions in basic conversations. What is your name? Where do you live? When is your birthday? Who is your best friend? Why are you sad? How are you feeling today? Which book do you want to read? Whose pen is this? What did you eat for breakfast? Where did you go yesterday? When will you come back? Who told you this? Why did you miss the class? How did you solve the problem? Which color do you like? Whose phone is ringing? What time is it? Where are my keys? When will the movie start? Who is coming to the party? Simple WH questions with answers. What is your name? A. My name is Raj. Q. Where do you live? A. I live in Delhi. Q. When is your birthday? A. My birthday is in May. Q. Who is your best friend? A. My best friend is Ria. Simple WH questions with answers. Q. What is your favorite food? A. My favorite food is pizza. Q. Where do you work? A. I work in an office. Q. When does the train arrive? A. The train arrives at 5 p.m. Q. Who is your teacher? A. My teacher is Mr. Sharma. Q. Why are you late? A. I missed the bus. Q. How do you go to work? A. I go by bike. Q. Which movie do you like? A. I like action movies. Q. Whose book is this? A. This is Ankit's book. Q. What time does the meeting start? A. The meeting starts at 10 a.m. Q. Where is your phone? A. My phone is on the table. Simple W-it questions with answers. Q. When are you leaving? A. I am leaving tomorrow. Q. Who is calling you? A. It is my friend. Q. Why did you leave early? A. I had an appointment. Q. How are you today? A. I am feeling great. Q. Which shirt do you want to wear? A. I want to wear the blue one. Q. Whose turn is it? A. It is your turn. Q. What did you buy? A. I bought a new laptop. Q. Where did you put my keys? A. I put them in the drawer. Q. When is the festival? A. The festival is next week. Q. Who is the manager? A. The manager is MS Gupta. Simple W-it questions with answers. Q. What is your hobby? A. My hobby is painting. Q. Where did you grow up? A. I grew up in Mumbai. Q. When do you usually exercise? A. I usually exercise in the morning. Q. Who is cooking dinner? A. My mother is cooking dinner. Q. Why are you learning Spanish? A. I am learning Spanish for travel. Q. How do you like your coffee? A. I like my coffee with milk and sugar. Q. Which restaurant do you prefer? A. I prefer the Italian restaurant. Q. Whose jacket is this? A. This jacket is Sarah's. Q. What will you do this weekend? A. I will visit my grandparents. Q. Where did you put the remote? A. I put it on the sofa. Simple W-it questions with answers. Q. When is your meeting? A. My meeting is at 3 p.m. Q. Who is the team leader? A. The team leader is MR Kapoor. Q. Why are you going to the library? A. I am going to the library to study. Q. How did you learn to drive? A. I learned to drive from a driving school. Q. Which class are you in? A. I am in the 5th grade. Q. Whose idea was this? A. This was Anu's idea. Q. What color is your car? A. My car is red. Q. Where do you buy groceries? A. I buy groceries from the local market. Q. When do you plan to visit your cousin? A. I plan to visit my cousin next month. Q. Who gave you this gift? A. My friend gave me this gift. Exercise set 1. Question. What is the weather like today? Answer. The weather is sunny today. Question. Where can I find a taxi? Answer. You can find a taxi at the station. Question. When does the shop close? Answer. The shop closes at 8 p.m. Question. Who is the new student? Answer. The new student is Mia. Question. Why are you wearing a coat? Answer. I am wearing a coat because it's cold. Question. How did you solve the puzzle? Answer. I solved the puzzle with a hint. Question. Which restaurant serves good food? Answer. The Italian restaurant serves good food. Question. Whose dog is barking? Answer. The dog belongs to my neighbor. Question. What time does the movie start? Answer. The movie starts at 7 p.m. Question. Where did you put my book? Answer. I put your book on the shelf. Question. When did you last visit the zoo? Answer. I visited the zoo last summer. Question. Who is responsible for this task? Answer. I am responsible for this task. Question. Why did you cancel the trip? Answer. I cancelled the trip due to bad weather. Question, how can I reach the airport? Answer, you can reach the airport by bus. Question, which color do you prefer? Answer, I prefer blue. Question, whose cat is this? Answer, this cat belongs to my sister. Question, what did you do yesterday? Answer, I went for a walk yesterday. Question, where can I buy a new phone? Answer, you can buy a new phone at the electronics store. Question, when does school start? Answer, school starts at 9 a.m. Question, who is your favorite actor? Answer, my favorite actor is Tom Cruise. Exercise set 2. Question, what is your favorite sport? Answer, my favorite sport is football. Question, where did you buy this shirt? Answer, I bought this shirt from the mall. Question, when do you usually go to bed? Answer, I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Question, who is your doctor? Answer, my doctor is Dr. Mehta. Question, why are you smiling? Answer, I am smiling because I am happy. Question, how do you get to the office? Answer, I get to the office by train. Question, which movie did you watch? Answer, I watched an action movie. Question, whose phone is this on the table? Answer, this phone is my brother's. Question, what is your favorite book? Answer, my favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. Question, where did you last go on vacation? Answer, I last went to Goa on vacation. Exercise set 2. Question, when is your holiday? Answer, my holiday is next week. Question, who made this cake? Answer, my mom made this cake. Question, why are you studying late? Answer, I am studying late because of exams. Question, how did you get this job? Answer, I got this job through a referral. Question, which book are you reading? Answer, I am reading The Great Gatsby. Question, whose turn is it to speak? Answer, it is your turn to speak. Question, what did you do last weekend? Answer, I visited my friends last weekend. Question, where is the nearest hospital? Answer, the nearest hospital is 2 blocks away. Question, when does the class start? Answer, the class starts at 9 a.m. Question, who gave you this advice? Answer, my mentor gave me this advice. Exercise set 3. Question, what is your favorite season? Answer, my favorite season is winter. Question, where can I buy some bread? Answer, you can buy bread at the bakery. Question, when is your birthday? Answer, my birthday is in October. Question, who is your neighbor? Answer, my neighbor is Mr. Singh. Question, why are you taking a break? Answer, I am taking a break because I am tired. Question, how do you like your new job? Answer, I like my new job very much. Question, which bus goes to the airport? Answer, bus number 5 goes to the airport. Question, whose shoes are these? Answer, these shoes are Rahul's. Question, what is your favorite subject? Answer, my favorite subject is math. Question, where did you put the groceries? Answer, I put the groceries in the kitchen. Question, when is the deadline for the project? Answer, the deadline is next Friday. Question, who is playing the guitar? Answer, Raj is playing the guitar. Question, why did you choose this color? Answer, I chose this color because it's bright. Question, how can I contact you? Answer, you can contact me by email. Question, which book did you finish reading? Answer, I finished reading Pride and Prejudice. Question. Whose pen is this on the desk? Answer. This pen is Anjali's. Question. What time do you wake up? Answer. I wake up at 6 a.m. Question. Where can I find a pharmacy? Answer. You can find a pharmacy on Main Street. Question. When do you usually have lunch? Answer. I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. Question. Who is responsible for the report? Answer. I am responsible for the report.